How do I assign a keyboard shortcut to recorded macro in Sublime Text? I have a bunch of macros which I have recorded and saved in Sublime Text too. I'm trying to assign keyboard shortcuts to each of those, but I'm kind of lost as to how to go about doing this. I had a look at Sublime Text 2, assign a keyboard shortcut to a tool. But that explains how to set key bindings for existing commands. What should I set to have it run a macro?
To instruct Sublime Text to run macros, you need to pass run_macro_file as parameter to command, with argument being the file name of the macro. First, merely recording a macro doesn't save it to a file, you will have to save the macro to a file. This can be done by clicking on Tools Save Macro in AMP, then give a file name. Macros are generally saved in %add%\sublime text 2\packages\user folder. Next, to assign the keyboard shortcut, open the key bindings file from Preferences Key Bindings, User. Now, the general format for a key binding is as below. So, if you want to assign Ctrl+Shift+X to a macro which has been saved as add comma to end, the key binding line will look like so.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.